Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to install Discord but keep seeing that annoying installation has failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps that'll fix it for good. Let's get right into it. First, make sure Discord isn't running in the background. Go to your system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click the little arrow, find the Discord icon, right-click it, and hit Quit Discord. Next, open your task manager by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and selecting it from the menu. Click More Details, scroll through the list, and check if any Discord processes are still running. If you see any, select them and click End Task. Now that Discord is completely closed, we'll remove the leftover files that might be causing the issue. Go to your search bar and type %app data%, then hit Enter. This will open the roaming folder. Look for the Discord folder here and delete it. Next, at the top of the window, click on App Data to go one folder back, then open the local folder. Again, find the Discord folder and delete that one too. Once both folders are deleted, head over to discord.com and download the latest version for Windows or whatever platform you're using. Run the installer, and in most cases, Discord will install successfully now. If the problem still isn't solved, right-click the Discord setup.exe file and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the proper permissions it might have been missing before. And if you're still running into trouble, one last thing you can try is updating your disk drivers. Type Device Manager into the search bar, open it, and expand the disk drive section. Right-click your main drive, select Update Driver, and follow the prompts. After that, restart your computer and try installing Discord again. If none of these steps work, don't panic. Just reach out to Discord support and explain the issue. They'll be able to help you directly. I hope this quick tutorial helped you fix the Discord installation error. If it did, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, faxes, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.